a Ndigwa ni makionanitie ucamba wao na ni akuma kuma mwena wa Mau na kuria makoretwo makihibiria uhadi wa miti itemi-ini ria gukorwo magikuria na gwitwarithia na mbere kiwonjoria kuringana na atumia aya na aria aingi ao ni akuru makoretwo makihanda miti itiganite ari hamwe na ya matunda na kuria makoretwo makimienderia andu matiganite kuona ati ona andu aingi ni maikoretwo magikinyia rienderio-ini riao na kuria maikoretwo magikuria na njira nene kimuturire.
Mimi jina langu naitwa Christine Ndunge Mwongela. Mimi ni wa kikundi inaitwa Ngomano Akandiwa. Na sisi tunafanya kazi ya kupanda miti ya kukula, hizi zingine sina fence tunapanda hizo sote. Saa hizi miti tunasipanda ndio tujenge hii environment yetu ya huku Mua. Tunataka tujenge huku Mua kwa miti hizi za avocado za kukula na hizi zingine. Nataka kuambia watu wa huku Mua waendelee na kupanda miti. Juu tunataka huku Mua kwetu kuwe kuzuri, kuwe na greens nyingi za miti. Tukipanda zinatuletea pesa hizo miti. Tunataka watu wengine wanunue wakapande kwao ili wafaidike kama sisi.
Identified a group of widowed women. They are called Akandiwa. I think there's a first Akamba name. The Akandiwa women group is we identified it when they sent us a request to assist them, and when we realized they are within our installation as a CSR committee within KCAA, we reviewed and realized that they are doing very good work. You should visit them to see the nurseries which they have. So in their request, quite a number of issues. One of them which we have considered positively, and we are going to give them a token donation of about 250,000 Kenya shillings so that they have a dam liner so that they can be able to harvest water which can be used to progress their activities.
Na nĩ itacokia riega kuona ati atumia tacio ni maikorwo makikuria kana maikorwo makinyitana niguo maikorwo magikuria orondo mwe na guthaitira maria maturigiceirie na njira ya kuhanda miti. Na riboti iyo ni uragituheka mweke twiko tugikiria oro hanini ngai kuririkania githie na mbere na kwaraniria na nie kugerera nenda citu cia